Hey, I'm Bryan Fuller. I'm a garage shop fabricator.
Bryan Fuller, custom fabricator, has chosen Swivel Storage Solution back in the early 2000s as his tool storage preferred vendor. And after all these years, his toolbox are still holding up. Please follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, or LinkedIn. Now, let's watch some of the clips from Bryan Fuller.
We're back here with triple speed, triple. Now, just to catch you guys up that weren't watching. 8-inch bench grinder. Everybody knows the bench grinder. Once you cut, it's gone. But oh well, right? That's the knee anvil. The body. It's the best. Your first shaping tool ever known to man. The knee or rock. What happens is you lean this over, spindles, spindle turns, lean it the other way, spindle turns, wheels turn, and as you can see in a previous bike, it gets like 45 degrees. Awesome. What does it ride like? Only Eddie in the smooth. Whoa, wow.
Hey, buddy.
You scared me.
Got this all finished up.
Oh, yeah.
We used that hole saw, and it actually came out a lot better than using the end mill. Yeah.
Oh, okay, good.
Cool.
All right, well, if you'll grab the rest. Okay, Maggie, are you getting excited? We're about to put the front end together. I know, it's hard to control ourselves. It's hard.